Dealing with methamphetamine contamination can be confusing, frustrating, and expensive. Here at Veracity Services, our friendly staff can take care of you and your property. We are a screened meth decontamination company approved by the WA Department of Health. Our trained and experienced team are keen to help you. You can rest assured that you are getting quality, reliable service with a 100% success rate. We can complete the strip out of your home in preparation for decontamination works, including licensed electricians and plumbers, whilst being mindful of your property, limiting further damages and minimising costs. Veracity Services provides extensive decontamination works using the most current practices and technologies, making sure your property is safe for habitation in days, not weeks. Free quotes, cost-effective solutions, and a team you can count on. Give us a call today and see how we can help you. Veracity Services, working alongside homeowners, insurance and strata companies to ensure West Australian homes are safe.